Welcome to the Ampere Motorola E32s, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with the Ampere app on this device. So let's first open the Play Store application, and then in the search pool we should enter Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click yes I agree, tap to close and tap to OK on the left hand corner. And now we can see here information about our battery temperature. In my case that's 28 and 7 degrees. Also we can find here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.